The Forney 306 Signature Welding Gloves are a premium grade full grain palm and back. Heat and abrasion resistant reinforced patches in key strategic areas for added protection. A 5-inch split leather reinforced safety cuff offers extra wrist and forearm protection. Fortified with heat resistant Kevlar thread for added durability and wear. Self-hemmed welting and seams to provide extra strength to seams, adding durability and strength to the glove.
It doesn't surprise me that BM88 is a favorite of mine. Aside from comfort and protection, what you really get is a glove full of features. Take the drag patch, which protects your glove from abrasion and makes it last longer while keeping the side of your hand cool. And the rest patch is nicely built in for padded comfort at the wrist bone while you're MIG wiring. The back's got lining to keep the heat off, while the palm's unlined so you can control your gun better. It's an all-around winner.
The 1325 is the second addition to Tillman's legendary line of TIG gloves. The 1325 is a result of talking to TIG welders and building a glove they asked for. During the development of the 1325, we conducted field testing to make sure we built exactly what was asked for. TIG welders need the exceptional touch and feel. The 1325 delivers that and more. We started with incredibly soft and supple goat skin that delivers an outstanding sense of touch and feel. To enhance the touch, we slightly sized down the glove for a precision fit. We learned from welders where the gloves first wear through: the tips of the forefinger and thumb, and the outside of the palm. We addressed the tips of the forefinger, thumb with a thin layer of rough side-out goat skin for reinforcement. But this reinforcement also added a tactical element that grips the rod a bit better and still allows for an excellent sense of touch. We then addressed the wear point of the outside of the palm. We added a thin layer of rough side-out goat skin for reinforcement, but this reinforcement also adds heat resistance while not impacting the dexterity a TIG welder demands. The 1325 is scheduled to launch in August and is offered in sizes extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, and 2X large.
Hi, my name is Jamie Buellin. I'm a product manager at Lincoln Electric for welding gear. We're at the 2013 AWS FabTech show, and I'd like to introduce my new roll cage gloves. This is a new pair of gloves that were designed for the welding rigging market. The features on the gloves for the rigging application is that it protects the back of the hand with its high temperature silicone nubbins. These additional pads for high wear areas, the inside lining, and then it has this very unique Velcro system so that it can wrap the gloves up to protect the inside of your hands, and it protects your hands from these chains falling on the back of your hands. And we've combined it with many of the features for welding. So it uses the high temperature leathers and other materials for welding gloves.
Hi, it's Gary, and I'm here with Bill, a product manager at Miller. And Bill works with their Arc Armor welding protection. And today we're going to take a closer look at their line of welding gloves. Now, Bill, I expected to see a pair or two, but I had no idea you guys had such a variety of gloves. Why did you come up with so many?
Well, you're correct, Gary. There is a large variety of welding gloves that are available, and it can often be overwhelming trying to decide which glove is appropriate for your needs.
So how does a company or a welder then decide which glove they want to buy?
The important thing to look at first is what is the application need? Meaning, am I TIG welding, MIG welding, or stick welding? Because each application has its own specific needs.
So you're telling me each glove has been specifically constructed for a specific application? Can you talk to me about the different construction differences then?
For instance, stick welding, which can be high amperage, might need heavier protection. So when you start to select a glove, that's something that you want to look at in the construction of the glove. So during the construction of the gloves, there's a variety of different leather types that are available today as well. And each leather type actually offers its own benefits in regards to protection, comfort, and durability. So it's critical to look at what type of leather is incorporated into the design of the glove.
So is there anything else about the gloves that make them different besides the different kinds of leather?
Yes, yes. Another thing to look at is the pattern of the glove. So one unique difference with the Miller line of gloves is that we utilize a pattern that actually conforms to the natural shape of the hand, offering an increased dexterity and comfort. Other things like padding, look for padding, additional padding for protection, whether it's on the palms, sides, or the backs. And another thing to consider is the lining. There's everything from FR fleece to foam to even aluminized lining that can give you additional protection and comfort.
Well, thanks for giving us a closer look at your welding gloves. For more information on Miller's complete line of hand protection, visit millerwelds.com/arc armor. Thanks, Bill.
Thanks, Gary.
Miller Arc Armor, designed by welders for welders. Experience the Arc Armor difference.